In this tutorial, we're going to talk about methods in Python classes. I'm going to show you what a method is, why it's useful, how to define one and how to call it. So, what you see here is a simple class called dog with a method named bark. A method is a function that is associated with an object. In this case, the bark method is associated with any object that is an instance of the dog class. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class and is used to access variables and other methods that belongs to the class. Now we have created an instance of the dog class named my_dog and given it the name Rex. By calling the bark method on our my_dog object, we can make Rex bark. The output Rex says woof is returned by the bark method and printed to the console. So why would we use methods in a class? Methods allow us to perform actions using the object's properties, and they help in keeping our code organized and reusable. The bark method, for instance, uses the name of the dog to create a personalized message whenever it's called. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice is key when learning programming, so try creating your own classes and methods. Happy coding!